Alright everyone, making some stylized environment is pretty much hard in Unreal Engine. That's what everyone thinks, but that's not too much hard anymore. You can model some really cool stuff very easily in any 3D software and then paint them, texture paint them in Substance Painter, Armor Paint, or whatever. It could be Blender. You can paint that and then you can bring it to the engine, Unreal Engine. It's so much powerful, and then you can texture them, make some material there. There's some advantages, like you can make subsurface scattering here. So first of all, I just import those models and showcase them, like I just set up those materials, set up those textures. I just set the camera so that I can make the frame, and then simple sculpting, and then just putting the object here and there. Once you finish the texturing, put things here and there, where it looks nice. Just grinding. The more you give time to your project, the more it will look great. It's not just like put something there. You have to remind the ratios, rule of thirds. Your art direction should be fine if you do this kind of things more often. So everything is important. Those little details makes really difference. They can either make it great or make it crap. Don't just copy it uniformly. Scale them little bit, rotate them little bit, so that it doesn't seems that this is projected. Just randomness, put randomness. You can see randomness everywhere in our nature. Nothing is perfect. You just have to practice more and more. Once you practice more and more, you'll master it. I put some trees behind the scene. The most challenging part is lighting. Lighting is very much important and it's really crucial. If you can't do it right, then your scenes won't look like that much great. So practice it more and more. Volumetrics is another important things. Fogs, those distance fogs are really important, how they react with the lights, and definitely some small light, some rectangle lights, you just highlight here and there. That's important. That's art directing. I just put a single directional light and put a atmosphere light there, but I put some rectangle lights too because it makes it little bit good. If you like my videos, please consider subscribing. Thank you everyone.